Central to the reshuffling is the figure of Lieutenant General Tapfumaneyi, a former Deputy Director General in the Central Intelligence Organization CIO and the mastermind behind the Forever Associate Zimbabwe FAS group. Tapfumaneyi was recently brought back to the army and appointed as commander of the ZNA in November 2025. Sanabna Mashkobla watching the return of the CIO man, General Tapfumaneyi. Don't subscribe or like on the bell icon. Tapfumaney's return is viewed as a master stroke in mnangagwa's coup-proofing playbook. As the head of FAS, he is credited with securing the presidency 2023 election victory through a sophisticated and often controversial parallel structure. His elevation to the top of the army hierarchy signals a shift where intelligence networks are being embedded directly into military command. However, Tapfumaney's appointment was not being universally welcomed within the barracks. There are strong indications that once an army boss leaves the department to join the CIO, his return to the military is met with coldness. Many regular officers view such individuals as sellouts, or more specifically, as CIO informants rather than traditional soldiers. This sentiment is deeply rooted in the army's preference for its own intelligence unity, the Military Intelligence Department (MID), which they respect and trust far more than the civilian-led CIO. He is a long-serving intelligence operative. Few individuals in government understand the intersection of intelligence politics and military strategy as intimately as he does, says Gabriel Manyati, a political analyst. Manyati believes the move suggests an army being brought into closer alignment with the executive, with intelligence networks embedded at the heart of military command. Doma developments are good upangwa in a comment section videos of more clips on the page. Subscribe or like, on the bell icon.